No clickbait here. What's one weird trick to get better at aluminum welding immediately? You know, a lot of people are really afraid of screwing stuff up. So they would much rather pay you to figure out how to do it instead of learning it themselves. And I notice a lot of it online too, where, especially filmmaking, which I'm clearly still learning, but don't be afraid to screw stuff up. Screwing stuff up just means you're trying, and as long as you're trying, it's not really a loss. You know, if it sucks, you cut it apart, you do it again. If it doesn't suck as bad next time. So, yeah, go screw something up. Get slightly better at it. Try again. There you have it. A little bit of preheat to 200 to 250 degrees. Doesn't have to be a lot. All it's doing is giving the aluminum a chance to come up to temperature, boil off any surface moisture or any crud that you just did not clean well enough. And honestly, the puddle will form very quickly. And when the puddle forms quickly, you're not fighting with it, you're not overheating the metal, and it's just going to look better. I am maybe a 6.5 or 7 out of 10 aluminum welder. This is something that changed my results immediately. When I first went to welding school for this, we didn't learn aluminum. All of it came from doing the race car stuff, and there's just so many jobs where somebody would come and want something welded and it would be aluminum, and I would like shrug because I just hated doing it. It never seemed to work out well for me. Even if I could weld it, I would run enough beads on it where it would finally get hot enough, and then it would start looking good, and I would assume it was because I was practicing, not because the metal was actually getting hotter. Then the next time I would go to weld something aluminum, I would be frustrated when it didn't immediately look better because I thought I just practiced this. So give it a try. Go out, get a bunch of this crap, you know, old cylinder heads, whatever, and just go weld something. Even if it sucks, just go weld something. See ya!